If you struggle with distraction, procrastination, or feeling busy but just not productive, this is the shift you've been waiting for. In a regular week, my schedule consists of working with clients, coaching salespeople, supporting my office, acting, making time for workouts, and of course, enjoying all the time that I can with my wife and hanging out with friends as well. And I do all of this without feeling overwhelmed or burnt out. And the simple strategy that I use is called time blocking. I'm going to show you how to make it work for you so you can take full control of your time and your energy. High performers and people like you and I who want to live their lives with intention separate themselves from everyone else by taking full control and protecting their most valuable asset, which is their time. And I'm going to show you how you can do that starting right now so you can execute to the fullest every single day. Time blocking is simple. Instead of waking up and hoping you get things done at some point today or tomorrow, you're actually deciding when you're going to do them before the day even begins. So here's how it works. You're going to start off by assigning specific time blocks to your most important tasks. When the time block comes, you're going to protect it like an appointment with your future self. And then when you're actually in that work block, you're going to work. That's it. Turn off your distractions. Nothing can stop you. You're getting the work done that you agreed to on this time block. As an example, from 7 to 8 a.m., you're going to have your workout time block scheduled in your calendar. From 8 to 9, you might eat and then clean up. And then from 9 to 11 is your deep work. Whatever your industry is, whatever your work is, that's going to be your 2-hour solid work block. The best part about time blocking is that you're not allowing yourself to work on your goals at some point today or at some point tomorrow. Time blocking eliminates decision fatigue, procrastination, and that trap that you can stay stuck in of, I'll do it later today. But here's where it gets powerful. Do you remember being in school and your teacher or your professor gave you an assignment saying it's due in 2 weeks or it's due in a month, whatever that late timeline was? And if you're like the old me, you waited until the second last day or the very last day to actually start and get the assignment done. This is Parkinson's law in action. Parkinson's law says work expands to the time given to it. Meaning if you give yourself a week to do an assignment, you're going to take that full week. If you give yourself till the end of the day, you'll probably take all day. But if you give yourself 90 minutes, you'll get it done in 90 minutes. This principle is the same now as it was back when you were in school. It's the urgency and the deadline that creates the focus to get the thing done. And your superpower right now is you can control that urgency and the timeline yourself. So here's how you can take full control of your time and make exponential progress starting today. Pick 2 or 3 of your top priorities for the day. Maybe these are the things that have been on your to-do list for the longest time. Maybe these are the things that have the biggest impact on your business or your job, whatever it is. Pick 2 or 3. Next, add those into your calendar. Maybe it's, again, 9 to 11 for whatever your deep work is. And make sure you repeat that same 9 to 11 time block for the rest of the days of the week as well. Next, give each block a tight deadline. So if you thought you needed 2 hours to write an essay, try giving yourself 1 hour and see how much quicker you work. And finally, when that time block actually comes up, get the work done. Stay focused, turn all the distractions off, and just do the work. And as a bonus, remember to schedule your recreation time as well. Now that you have full control of your time and your schedule, you can make time for social media or Netflix binges or whatever else you want to do. Your time is yours as long as the hard work is getting done. This system is going to train your brain to work faster, smarter, and without perfectionism slowing you down. Your calendar becomes your discipline system. Try this starting today and watch what happens in 1 week.